Hey, what's up guys, Muffy here. These past 2 days, like first couple days of holidays, I've just been non-stop working on videos and I love it. So basically there's this construction site, sort of like, yeah, and we're gonna bring you guys along and check it out at like kind of dusk, because I'm pretty sure they work in the mornings. I'm literally about to run out of battery now from recording all day. Yeah, maybe I should have left it on charge for longer, but yeah, yesterday I checked it out and they've done more stuff since. No bars on the GoPro. So yeah, these are like my muddy shoes now because I've got new ones. So I don't know what they're just installing the pipes before building stuff there. Ooh, been eating lasagna and KFC. The concrete's set. Yeah, safe to walk here, not gonna break anything, hopefully. So yeah, this is really cool. Maybe I could come back to it when it's more complete. Here are the measurements, stuff. Whoa, I'm so glad I brought these shoes. So yeah, the house is all around me. So, you know, but there's not really too much to look at. Yet at least. Don't really want to go out through this way for obvious reasons. Gonna have to wipe down the shoes when I get home. Alright, that's pretty much it. I know this video's fairly short, but I'm gonna come back when it hasn't been raining and easier to get around. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little thing I had. This is kind of my first time. Yesterday I just went up to here just to look around, but this is my first time, so yeah, peace.